Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Yamaha R7 Supersport. This brand new model from Yamaha just arrived with only 961 miles. Twin cylinder, liquid cooled fuel injection, super narrow profile, fully adjustable suspension, ABS brakes. Make your R7 dreams come true with this gorgeous showroom condition metallic black R7. Only 961 miles. This is the top of the class right here. Price to sell at just $10,499 plus tax and license. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.